Transferring money from RBC to EQ Bank is very easy to do. Today I'm going to show you how to do it. First of all, open up the Royal Bank website. Once you get into its site, scroll down and find out the process to transfer money. So to transfer money between the accounts, the first thing you need to do is tap to move money in the navigation bar. After that, tap to transfer between my accounts. The process to transfer the money between accounts through the online banking is, first of all, sign in and go to the Quick Payments and Transfers section on the right side of the page. Then tap to choose a From and To account. After that, enter an amount to transfer. Now you have to click on Submit. Then, review the transfer details and click Confirm. Let's get to know about the process to transfer money to an account at an ATM. After locating an RBC ATM and entering your PIN, select Transfer and Payment from the main menu. Then tap to select Transfer Funds. Now input the dollar amount you would like to transfer and press OK. After that, select the From account. Now, all you have to do is select the To account. Then, review and press Confirm Transfer. From the Transaction Complete screen, select what you would like to do next, or if you are done.